So you want to take the deal or not?
No, what do you want?
You have 5 minutes to get to our destination, and you get all of this.
What do you mean 5 minutes?
You gotta drive fast.
You sure?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. you got
The only difference between the rich and wealthy and the broken poor, those who are struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, trying to make ends meet, is access to information. All of you got the access to information that is creating legacies, guys. If you make the right decision, I can tell you this, you might have 99 problems, but money will never be one.
If the team brings in one person, each person that they bring in, then it goes into a pot. Okay? At the end of however long you want to do it, 1 week or 2 weeks, from that point, at the end of the drawing, you get to pull your name, and whoever, wins that $500 pot, however much money's in the pot. Spila, aka Spiller. The reason why we call her Spiller is because of Mrs. Isis De La Torre. When they first met, I don't know if she can pronounce her name or not, but that's what she kept calling her, and it was kind of funny, so it kind of stuck with her. But she's a down to earth girl. I love her. She is somebody who you can definitely surround yourself with. Definitely going to push you to that next level, motivate you, inspire you, and it's amazing, where she was to where she is right now.
So for each name that goes into the pot, let's say $3 for each name. So that's basically how much the pot would be.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
So the pot, instead of making just 500, making it so it could be anything depending on how many people bring in somebody. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So one of the things that I really, really admire and, like about Spila is the fact that she loves putting people in a position to win. That's one of her biggest, attributes that I see within her. Not only do I see it, but people all around the world see it as well. And, it's kind of cool to be able to, surround yourself around people, be in that atmosphere and stuff. But, she's cool. She likes jet skiing. She sucks at parking, so you might see some clips of her driving. But cut.
Because we're so a lot of our teams are so online that it's so difficult, and we're really sporadic. We're just all over the place. Our team. It's not like we have one real big team here. You know what I mean? It's just all over the world, really. Yeah.
Well, I call him Raymond, just to piss him off. That's not his real name though. It's Lionel. Those of you that don't know, Mr. Lionel Robinson. He doesn't like me sharing his age with people. So I might have to tell you guys by the end of this, but Ray's 17 years old, very tall. He's like 7'9" or something like that. His foot size 15, so we go shopping, and this dude can't find shoes. So he used to order shoes online. Suits, very hard with suits. They're like this long on him. He's got to order those online.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. I'll see you all soon. Peace.
Okay, see you soon. Bye.
All right.
And his fingers, Jesus Christ. They're like 4 times, take my fingers and add 4 to them. That's the size of his finger. So, way big fingers. I don't know. Literally, if you chop off half his fingers, it'll look like a normal hand. So, but yeah, that's about Ray. But otherwise, Ray's an amazing person, very, very humble, comes from, a hard background, and is very, very humble towards other people and truly helping people rise and elevate.
That's why you have to be Chairman 25, so you take me to eat, huh?
That's the only reason why you want me to. You want me to do what?
I want you to be Chairman 25, so you buy me a bed. And you take me to the restaurant.
See how she treats me?
I don't want rings, I don't want anything, I just want to eat.
Just got finished working out, we about to go find some place to eat. You know, I'm thinking about pizza and wings right now. You know, I have a high metabolism, so I can pretty much eat whatever I want to eat. I don't have to worry about my body, you know, gaining all this unnecessary weight.
Lucky.
So, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. I build my business strictly online through Instagram. I've been able to create a six-figure income, you know, through my Instagram account. And recently, IG just deleted my fucking account. I'm kind of pissed off right now. I don't know, my team, they got jokes and shit. Eric's talking about they deleted my Instagram account because I had my shirt off in a couple of my pics. You got all these Instagram thoughts out there running around on Instagram with no sense at all, and they delete me. I'm changing lives, and they kind of got salty about that because they realize how much money I'm actually generating through my Instagram account. So this is what I eat after I work out. Yeah, I got my proteins, got my carbs, I got my protein shake right here. I think it's right. Right now, we're actually about to go to Spila and Nikki's house. They're my business partners in iMarkets Live, and we're gonna, you know, discuss business deals. I've actually known them for a couple of years now. We've done business previous to what we currently do right now. Right now, we're just on a bigger playing field right now, able to help thousands and thousands of people. It was Art Basel.
Yeah, man, it's terrible.
Yeah.
The traffic is terrible on the Reward, the South Beach.
Mm-hmm. So right now we just got to Nikki and Spila's place out here on South Beach. I'm about to go upstairs and talk some business real quick. They got two big ass dogs, right? Like real big. You'll see when we get there. Neo and Ollie, they love me. Like they're gonna be so happy, it's gonna be crazy.
I was just about to
What
go
up?
down.
Hoverboard. I feel kind of bad right now because we were on the 15th floor and we decided to fly the drone right here off the 15th floor, and we only had, I say, about this much room to land it.
What's up? My name is Carly. I'm the camera lady. I flew out here from Arizona to get some awesome footage for this lovely team who all, as you can see, love each other very much.
And Carly, she got her fingers chopped open.
We had a little bit of an accident. Probably was Ray's fault. Just because he wanted to get that awesome footage off the balcony. You know, I agreed, went along with it. Ended up having a little bit of an accident, and it's okay though because we got the footage.
Alright, she got her fingers chopped up in the drone.
So it's just planting the seeds now, getting them to watch the video, then closing. So that's what I told them in the beginning. It's going to be like one day, all group messages. The second day is going to be a follow-up. The third day is going to be closing. So it's not going to happen just like that.
Right. Say something for the camera.
Hey,
On the
how
spot.
we doing?
You just asked me what black people eat.
I can say that, not you. You can't go around saying that.
I'm talking to you. I'm not talking around.
But still, you ain't know what an owl was.
I don't know.
It's owl.
Huh?
Owl.
With a W.
Owl.
Not how old, it's owl.
Okay.
No, you sound like you say owl too.
I said
Listen, when he showed me that bird, I said, "What's the name of this thing?" He said, "Shit, I don't know." You didn't know the name of the bird.
I knew the name of the bird.
How do you say owl?
Owl.
Yeah, see,
An owl.
that's normal. You say owl and she says owl.
Owl.
I say the same thing both of y'all say.
Owl. You have to, when you say the you have to stick your tongue out.
Push it out.
Yeah.
Owl.
So what was y'all idea? Because I know y'all had a meeting and everything. I hit her up earlier and she said, let's set up a meeting.
We got a team in Chicago. I think they had like a 60-person event up there a couple weeks ago.
Talking about with Justin?
Yeah, with Justin and them. And we got a couple leaders out there also. Delia, Christina, Alexis. We have Connecticut, University of UConn. You know, out here in South Florida, you know, they really about to like blow this thing up, bro. And then they got like 200 person home events already going on out here at FIU and stuff like that, man. So.
So rocking out with Ray is a lot of fun. He's a goofball. A lot of people think he's quiet or serious, but he's a goofball. He likes to have fun all the time, sometimes too much fun. So I get mad at him because he can't be serious. He likes wine. I'll go to the bathroom, come back, there'll be a bottle and a half of wine gone. Getting a little bit more serious, Ray's an amazing person, amazing human being, amazing soul. We met online. That sounds funny. On a dating site. No, I'm just kidding. Friend request on Facebook. You know, we're just looking out for each other, even though we didn't work the same business or benefit off each other. Built a relationship and partnered up, you know. I'm very quick and to the point all the time, so I might hurt Ray's feelings sometimes. I don't know if I do. I apologize, Ray, as you're watching this. But I don't mean it. It's just my fast mind. But I think together we definitely balance each other out, because sometimes I get ahead of myself. I say the wrong things because I do think very fast, and Ray's able to slow it down and kind of calm it down or say the right things more or less to say. So I think we balance each other out, but I definitely know we drive each other bonkers some of the time. But I think between, you know, on a business level, we both have different strengths that we work with. I like working a lot on, you know, like systems and getting things done on the back end, and Ray just loves mingling and talking to people and building that relationships and all of that. So, you know, we've been able to help ourselves, but now it's time to help a lot more people and elevate and raise them and help their financial situations. And I think partnered with Ray, we're able to do more together than we're able to do separate and help more lives. So I'm excited.
Let's make a deal.
What's that?
Let's make a deal. If you can get us to the destination in 5 minutes.
What are you doing? Your family thing?
I give you all of this. You have 5 minutes.